After open machine, please click the CNC and return original. Then start origin. All the XYZ need back to original. Now machine is moving to original setting. Laser out is test the laser. Only this shutter and this laser source button both open can the machine out the laser light. Please attention this. Need open this shutter and the laser source button keep open. Can the laser out. Please click the file and load in. Import your design file. We have already imported the design file. It supports DXF format. You can draw a simple design patterns in the system also. Now select the design pattern. Find the right place you want to start. Frame. Adjust the position. And frame again. After open the shutter, then press start to cut. When your cutting effect is not good, please press this layer, then get in the parameter adjust. You will get in here. It's for cutting parameters adjust. This is the focus point. Usually, cutting effect is depend on the focus height. You can adjust the focus height. Dear, when you use machine, please let your air compressor connect here. Connect to this oxygen pipes. Because only you connect to this oxygen, can the machine system could adjust the pressure value. Because you mainly use the air compressor to cut. So when you choose this gas type of oxygen, can the gas pressure could adjust value. It can customize the value. Your cutting power, speed, and the gas value focus could reference to our cutting parameter file.